Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Quantum Reverse Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to google.com. On the Google search bar, search for Quantum Reverse Mortgage Login. Now, click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this login portal where you can write down your email address, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Quantum Reverse Mortgage account. If you have any kind of problems about your password or have forgotten your password, click forgot password and you can reset your Quantum Reverse password once again. Let me show it to you once again how you can log into your Quantum Reverse Mortgage account. Go to Google search bar and then search for Quantum Reverse Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the login portal where you can write down your email address, your password, and click sign in. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.